Hello everyone, I welcome you to this session. In previous session we have seen how we can use Beamer class to create your presentation. Now let me quickly show you some another animation effects in itemization. So I will copy this text and paste in my LaTeX document and I will compile. Now let us see what results do we get. Okay, we will go to our PDF file and let us see. Okay, now this is the slide I have added. Now I will scroll it. You can see that while I will scroll it, it will not move to the next line. Okay, so first it will show hey, then it will show hello, then I will scroll it down. Now it will move to second row. It will show I am Ambarish. Then again I will scroll down. Again it will not move to the next line. It will print some text. Again I will scroll down. Then it will move to next line, and so on so forth. So how does this effect takes place? Let us go to the code and let us see over here. Now I have used this tag \, only, and within this brackets I have written 1. Now if you see where I have not written minus, at this location when I will scroll down, then the list will not move to next line. It will not move to next line. Okay, and where I see this minus sign over there, whenever I will scroll down, it will move to the next line, and that's why we are getting this effect. So in this way you can add more animation effects to your Beamer document. Okay, now your Beamer comes with bundle of features. Let me show you one more feature. Suppose I am writing a theorem, so I will write begin theorem and end theorem, and inside it my theorem statement will go. So I will write the theorem statement will go here. I will save it and I will compile this code. Now if you see, then this text will appear on your screen. Okay, I will do one thing. I will add the title, so I will write frame title and I will add theorem. I will again compile this. Actually adding a frame title okay, I will write it in begin frame and end frame. Let us compile it. Yeah, we can see the title over here. So the theorem will appear in this way. Now this is a format which comes because we are using begin theorem and end theorem. Again, suppose we are trying to write the proof of it, then we will write begin proof and end proof. Inside it I can write begin itemize and unitemize, and I will write step 1, step 2, step 3, likewise, and again I will compile this. So I will get the result this way. Now let us see our PDF document. Okay, this is my that particular slide in which I have written theorem and proof. So like I have said that Beamer comes with bundle of features. You can explore it and play with those tags. Okay, so I hope that this session will help you to create your Beamer presentation. Thank you. Have a good day.